विघ्नेश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Sarvangjapeta Yajamans, visitors, viewers, YouTube subscribers, idea stealers. Now, of late, we discovered very dedicated, devoted few followers of me. Within a week, they steal all the ideas I express in the morning satsang and just rephrase it. It takes only 1 week for them. So I welcome all of you. With my love and respects. Now, if it is happening only once or twice, we can say, okay, maybe by ideas are in the air and anyone can catch it. If it is happening once in 2 days, and now I told some of my disciples to chronicle it, organize it, to tell the world. Now, if I stop on Bhagavad Gita 18th sloka and stops there, if I stop on Isavansya Upanishad 13th verse and it stops there. But those fellows need to understand, the moment you started following me, you are my follower. I am very clear. Anybody who wants to give the credit to Sadashiva and Agama can use anything I reveal. You don't have to give credit to my name. I am not even interested in that. But don't forget quoting Sadashiva's name, Agama's name. I am okay with you stealing everything. I don't have a problem. And because you steal, it's not that I'm going to stop publishing everything. I'm going to publish everything as much as possible. My ideal vision is making all the program freely available in 3D in all my branches and ashrams. We will have a replica Garbha Mandirs all over the world. The moment I come and sit in Nityanand Sabha Garbha Mandir, whatever is happening should be happening in all those Garbha Mandirs and people should enjoy. It should be happening in 3D and people should enjoy. It is for everyone. So I am very clear, my vision. And anybody wants to steal anything, take it and use, I don't have a problem. Give credit to Sadashiva and Agama. That is enough. I am not asking you to give credit to my name, to me. Give credit to Sadashiva and Agama. You may not know who is Sadashiva, but I know a little bit. And give credit to Sadashiva and Agama. That's all I want. Nothing else. After all, in Hindu tradition, knowledge is free. Understand? Knowledge is free, and let's share it with the world. We need the world to be enriched. Today, in the Adhinam Chalo series, I wanted to speak about important thing. All power manifestation should align to manifest what you want as reality. Understand? Whatever you want in your life, you should be able to manifest. That is what is the purpose of power manifestation. Otherwise, just having some vibhuti appearing, kumkum appearing, and some pearls appearing, gems appearing, materialization. I don't think that is the goal. What will you do even having that? That is only an encouraging step. That is not the ultimate goal. And I do feel there are some non-integrity issues. Please be completely integrated, because I know the number sent and the number appeared. The numbers are not completely matching. So I know. So no more non-integrity games. Please maintain highest integrity. And actual goal is manifesting life. Understand, when you move the coconut, crack the coconut, that is not the actual goal. Just cracking the coconut and break, it will crack, that's all. When you move the coconut, crack the coconut, use that power to balance your blood pressure, balance your sugar level, to heal your intra-organs, internal organs, and reverse aging. These are all the real powers which you can manifest through this coconut moving. Understand, when you know your consciousness over the matter, then your internal organs are also matter. Have power over them and start healing them, reversing them. Reversing the diseases and reversing the aging. Reversing the tiredness and boredom they all feel due to aging. That's the real achievement. Understand? All powers are to manifest what you want in your life as reality. If you are able to materialize something, then start using that power every day in your profession, in your career, in your everyday life. Start moving things in your life. Otherwise, what is the use? What is the use of this so-called materialization or other manifestation of powers? So understand, manifestation of powers is to manifest Ishwaratva. Means, Ishwaratva means being Lord of your life. At least your life. Be Lord of your life. Manifest whatever you want. Go on, I tell you, when you start manifesting whatever you want very casually, with a lot of fun, without much effort, without feeling difficulty or anxiety, even once you feel, will it happen or not? Over. You are no more Ishvara. Without even remembering like that once, moving things, moving life as flow is Ishwaratva. Understand? Ishwaratva is the smell of Sadashivatva. State, space, powers, manifestation. In this three level, Ishwaratva is smell of Sadashivatva. Ishwaratva is flavor of Sadashivatva. So understand, first thing I want to tell you, no non-integrity business in any power manifestation. Absolute integrity. Whether it is third eye or remote scanning or body vision, any power manifestation, materialization or teleportation, anything, absolute integrity. If you have doubt, be very clear. I am not clear. I think I have a doubt. Let's stop with it. All of you are clear? Absolute integrity. Do not try to bring any name or fame by non-integrity. I do not want. I am very clear. Let integrity be our life breath. I tell you. Just the other day I was telling. Tirupati. Tirumala means Venkateshwara. So if you go there, you know you will have darshan of Venkateshwara. You may have to stand in queue. You may have to wait for 1 or 2 days. All that is different. You know you will have darshan of Venkateshwara. You cannot blame, oh, I did not see Ganesha, I did not see Jesus, I did not see this, I did not see that. Oh, they told me all gods are one and the same, but I went there, I saw only Venkateshwara. Be very clear. All of us know, if you go to Tirupati, Tirumala, you will see Venkateshwara. If you want to see Venkateshwara, go to Tirumala. If you don't want to see, don't go. That's all. But just because you want to see Ganesha, or you want to see Jesus, or you want to see some other god, that cannot be changed. Integrity of Tirumala is Venkateshwara. Over. Same way, integrity of our Sangha is integrity. If you like, come here. If you want to have darshan of integrity, come and see here. If you don't like integrity, don't come here. Over. But this place has to stand on integrity. If we have not aligned ourselves to integrity in some corners, some places, there's blind spots. That cannot be the reason to lose integrity in other places. No. The blind spot need to be cleared. Not that you will use that as a reason to build more blind spots or more non-integrity. No. Flag will fly high. Standards will be highest, uncompromising. Even if 1 or 2 people only reach the top, also it's okay. I am not bothered about quantity. It is all about quality. Understand, feel blessed. You have a guru who is uncompromising on integrity. Who is very clear, no cheating, no non-integrity. Clear? Understand? All these powers are gift from Sadashiva just because our integrity to him. What can you offer him? He has everything. He is Jagat. He is universe. The only thing we can offer him is our integrity to him. One of my disciples, she was asking me something. I casually asked, what will you give me if I give you this? She was laughing, what can I give you, Swamiji? I said, you can give your integrity to me. That is the only thing disciple has to give it to master. Understand? That is the only thing I felt I can give it to Arunagiri Yogeshwara. When I was in love with him, I said, oh God, why are you so sweet? What can I do? Finally, I melted into only one thing. I should be integrated to him. That's all. What else I can do? And throughout my life, I know for sure I am integrated to him. More and more the words he gave me, I remember, more and more I integrate myself to it. If I remember today something he told me, it will not take more than 24 hours for me to integrate myself to that. Then, next day he reminds something else. Understand, everything is pure gift from Sadashiva because we are integrated to him. And this moment, if Mahakala appears, I can tell him, "Oh Prabhu, I was integrated to you with all the knowledge, energy, intelligence, powers you gave me. Come on, I am ready to be inside you. Take me, I am ready. My accounts is clean." Understand, being in that space is what I call integrity to Sadashiva. Keep your accounts clean. Whatever he gave, knowledge, intelligence, powers, understanding, body, mind, relationships, everything, align it to integrity to him. Over. Understand, we have nothing to give him other than our integrity. What else we can give him? You can pour water to clean the deity. You can pour milk to clean the deity. But he is not going to drink it. It is going to come back and you are going to drink it. It's going to come back as prasadam and you are going to drink it. What is the only one thing you can give him? Your integrity to him. When I fell in love with him, that's what I decided. Mahadeva, I'll be integrated to you forever. That is the symbol of love. That is the symbol of love. So in all power manifestation, make sure we are highly integrated. We are highly integrated. Not for anybody else, but for Mahadeva, but for Sadashiva, but for Mahakala. Understand? When you are completely integrated to him, the confidence he showers on you is the best power you can have. The confidence, the feeling empowered. I tell you, even if an ordinary person loves you, how much you are empowered, feeling empowered. If Sadashiva loves you, what will happen? Whole universe empowers you. Whole universe is empowering you. Understand, his love is the most empowering, intoxicating, new word, not intoxicating, intoxicating. It is not intoxicating. It's neither intoxicating. It is not at all toxic. It's actually detoxifying, detoxicating and intoxicating. Love, feeling empowered by him. I tell you, when you are empowered by him, the only thing you can do is, Prabhu, let me be integrated to you. That's all. Prabhu, let me be integrated to you. That's all. I tell you, more and more and more integrity to him, more and more empowers your being, strengthens your being, more and more you feel strengthened, empowered. Just causeless ecstasy, causeless joy. Causeless joy and ecstasy manifests as powers and causes your reality. So, essence of today's satsang: use all power manifestations every moment. Ultimately, what is power manifestation? The strength of your oneness with me. That's all. The powerful declaration of your oneness with me. Use that every moment to manifest what you want in your life. Declare what you want in your life, oneness with Swamiji. When the self-doubt comes, complete it. Again declare. It's a war between you and your self-doubt. Till the self-doubt becomes powerless, go on declaring. That is what I call manifesting. Even materialization should be in 3 seconds of your declaration. When you bring yourself to that oneness, let Swamiji express through this body and let it materialize. It should be only 3 seconds. The moment the sankalpa comes out of your mind, within 3 seconds it should come out of your hand, then it is materialization. Only then it is materialization. Understand, if it is not happening, then there is a self-doubt, self-denial, self-hatred. Complete it, again start. Complete it, again start. Do it with absolute integrity, and I commit with you all, Sadashiva will manifest. You are all initiated by original brand. Original brand, approved franchisee. Approved franchisee for the whole planet Earth. Sometimes some brands may be visible large. That does not mean they are approved franchisees. Here, it is approved franchisee. That's all for now. Today whole day, we have beautiful sessions, power manifestations, mandala process, initiations. For tomorrow, the grand finale. All the successful power manifestors tomorrow who are successful in Shaktipada, tomorrow will receive 2 important gifts, the Kantamala and an important spiritual alchemy product. So get ready for the grand finale. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.